Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the page into the exact view you need. Scroll so dynamic content loads and disable sticky toolbars. Once done, press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the snip overlay. This gives you immediate mode options. Select full screen if you want an entire monitor or window mode to capture a single app. Make sure scaling is 100% so proportions stay accurate. This step defines resolution and ensures the resulting image includes all visible elements before any cropping or edits. If the page is longer than your screen, you have two reliable options. Prefer print to PDF from the browser. It captures the whole page as vector content you can export as image. If you must use Snip, capture sequential viewports while scrolling slowly, overlapping each shot by about 100 pixels to allow clean alignment. Once you have the series, open an image editor, align edges using the overlap guides, and crop off redundant areas. This creates a seamless full-page image you can save. Finish by exporting the stitched or single capture. Choose PNG for maximum fidelity, JPG to reduce file size, or PDF when you need printable output. If interactive elements or lazy-loaded content vanish mid-capture, turn off hardware acceleration in the browser or switch to print to PDF to force a full render. If images misalign, use automated stitching software or nudge layers in your editor. Make sure your canvas is at 100% zoom before the final save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.